Here's the app called AI Girlfriend Bot Companion. So just tap Get to install it, double click to install, and yeah, then let's just discover this app. Introducing the AI Girlfriend Bot Companion app, innovative virtual girlfriend simulator that harness the power of artificial intelligence to offer users a lifelike and engaging experience. With this app, you can engage in text-based conversations with a virtual companion, creating the illusion of a genuine relationship. Our AI girlfriend is designed to respond to a wide array of prompts and questions, ensuring that your interactions feel authentic and tailored to your preferences. So yeah, design your dream partner with love, a narrative. So yeah, it's kind of, there are a bunch of apps like that right now, kind of like ChatGPT apps, but for different purposes. And one of those is just AI Girlfriend. So let's just check it out. So here you have this. Uh, and then it asks you to upgrade for $7 per week. It's quite expensive. And then there is 3-day free trial. Then there is like a limited version. You can just name your girlfriend like that. Customize your girlfriend personality and characteristic, physical attributes. So whatever, and then just tap next, and then hello, for example. Whatever, and then you can just start chatting. And I guess they are just they just utilizing the ChatGPT API. Yeah, that's basically how it works. And you need to probably to change kind of the type of relationship in these apps. You need to upgrade. Similar as in Replica app, you can chat for free a lot, but then if you want to have kind of more romantic conversations, then the algorithm works like only if you upgrade. So that's how they charge money. Then yeah, you can just delete chat history, and then yeah, then there is premium. So yeah, that's basically the idea. You can just chat. I'm not sure if they're sending voice messages. But yeah, that's basically just an overview. So one of AI Girlfriend apps. There are a bunch of others. There is Replica. You can also probably chat in apps like Character AI or Chai app. But yeah, give it a try.